Please gather the following items to perform maintenance on the Aire maintenance device. To begin, put the AMD in bypass mode. Use a 7/16" wrench to remove the strainer screen. Rinse the strainer screen with warm water to remove any debris and reinstall. If you prefer to perform the work away from the system, use a 9/16" wrench to remove the top portion of the AMD. Twist off the regulator bonnet and set it nearby. Carefully remove the spring and diaphragm assembly. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the poppet assembly. Make sure to save and reuse the spring guides for reassembly. Reassemble the regulator with the CAMD1 Reg Kit. Avoid over-tightening the poppet seat. Reinstall the regulator bonnet, then tighten 1/4 to 1/2 turn after the assembly is hand tight. Reassemble the top portion of the AMD using the 9/16" wrench. Finally, put the AMD into normal operation mode and spray soapy water on the joints to check for air leaks. C-Aire CAMD1 is FM approved, assembled and tested in the USA, and ready to ship in bulk.